Oh shit, wait, we can get him up.
Y bien grande, papi, bien grande, mira. Grandoto,
No, sí está grande. Mira, su línea de ellos es de ese que te digo, mira.
Dude, first he's going to choose, and then he's going in the super. Oh. In fact, he's perfectly legal bait. It's very rare for us.
What, 54 inches?
Yeah, that's 54.
Hell no, that's what? That's 5?
No, look. It's 5.
54 from the fork. I mean, it's a market.
I think he might be a shark, though. Just from. Hey, shit. Hang on, Max, we have to flick up with the EX.
At least you broke it in.
Yeah, kinda. It didn't even feel like it.
Across the water.
Shit, he got. I told you he was small. I told you it was a 6 foot black tip, and you're like, nah, there's no way. Yeah, this is not 6 foot. This is 4 foot. If that. Yeah. Hey, I got. This will be easier. You want me to?
Good.
Wait, let's measure.
Short.
I mean, he's
10, 20, 30, 40.